Here's some parts for the F250 inner fender and the door for the bed. Here's my tailgate. This has all been media blasted, and we're going to take these back. And they look pretty good. Get them all primed and get them back into the truck. There's a fender. You can see a little bit of Bondo, but not too bad. Not too bad. A little bit of surface area rust that we can take off. We're going to DH all this. Got my my two inner fender, and then the support wall there. So anyway, kind of let you all know what's going on here. Put the bed on just a little bit. That's over here. There it is. There's the bed, all blasted, media blasted. It's being taken out. It really came out nice. Not a lot of areas that are really bad. It's really nice bed. No rust to speak of underneath. Real clean. This is all going to be coated. Bare metal, man. Bare metal. Looks great. Looks great. Looks great. What do you think, Mike? Looks good. Mostly that was originally a custom bed. This is all. It's all custom. Yeah, unless that's just welds there.